like this. Early. Ride your bike! Oh no, Alex! What? You too. Help me put up my bike. Come on, Daddy and Alex. Okay. Come on, Alex. Alex, come on. Why don't you put your feet on the pedals? There you go. Well, help me do it. Put your bike up. Get off your bike. On 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go! Thanks, guys. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome.
And Daddy.
Sure.